Be right with you guys. So weird. Hey Marco, what's happening? Full port, piano trader, full port. No, I don't know. I don't know yet. How's everyone doing today? Okay. All right, let's do this. Just typing it in the wrong thing. All right, when we ended the stream, we were working on this evaluation down here. Nice push up. Pretty much closed right yesterday's previous day close. So full port. All right, markets are open. Here we go. Nice push up. Nice continuing that squeeze there. Yeah, we're getting there, John Sharp. We're getting there. Nice long stream today. Yeah, we're just gonna stream a couple hours. See how it goes. I'll probably get off by 8 o'clock my time. But yeah, big push up there. So I got some new streaming lights. I don't know if I like them yet. My sister, Alyssa, how's it going? Yeah, we're on again. But yeah, I upgraded my streaming lights, so I don't know. I need to mess with them a little bit. I think they look okay, but we'll see. Hey Sherry, what's happening? Yeah, I don't blame you, Sherry. Yeah, if you had a good day today. So I'm just gonna work on this evaluation for now. The funded accounts are looking pretty good. We got a $180 daily payout coming. So we'll see. Yeah, for sure, Sherry. It is difficult. This is like the time of day where I'm being a degen. When I'm right on the trade, it feels really good, but a lot of times the normal setups don't work, right? Do have this gap up here. Hey Dylan, what's happening? So if you guys know anything about my trading, I like to trade inside bars. So one thing I've been trading in the slow market open is the first inside bar, and it's hitting pretty well. Well over 70% so far. Yeah, John, I am today. Streaming addict. Streaming addict. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta blow my nose. I'm back. How's it going, John? Do have some room to the downside. Get a gap here, a gap above too on the upside, so we'll see. It was quite the short squeeze we had. We caught that long, as you see here. We went long here. Cover, got out right around the 200 mark. Figured it'd bounce off the VWAP, which it did. So rejected off the VWAP, and then it continued higher. The squeeze. So that was a nice trade to end the day. You gotta give it a shot, Dylan? Yeah, just gotta be patient, you know. Just gotta be patient with these markets. I am gonna trade. Just take profit. Evaluation. Probably 2 minis. See how that goes. Nice bounce off the VWAP. Hey Brian, what's going on? A little better. Thanks for asking though. Better than yesterday. But my voice in my throat is still not great. But and we just streamed for 7 hours and then just took a 2-hour break. Now we're back at it. I'm flat right now, Dylan. I have no open trades. This is setting up for an inside bar, so I might look for a break of it just for a 10-point scalp. But it's one of those trades that I put on no matter what, without discretion, so definitely putting in an inside bar here. 10 seconds here. Oops. I'm looking to get triggered long on the break. 46. So low as candle, 37. If it breaks low, 37, we'll go short. Just look for a 10-point scalp. This has worked 22 out of the last 27 days, guys. Very small, amount of time to test, but it's promising. Obviously nothing works all the time, so why didn't it trigger my bracket? That was weird. So we are long. What the heck's going on? That was weird. It didn't trigger my bracket. This is on an eval only, guys. Two minis on this evaluation, so we're playing heavy. Playing heavy. Looking at the break to highs, looking for 256 for a target. Take a look at gold too while we're at it. Nice push up by gold. Very bullish still. This is a take profit trader. 25K. Piano trader. Well, it doesn't seem to want to move. Gotta have patience. Gotta have patience. Slow markets. But yeah, we're in 2 minis, so pretty heavy. Be $400 stop out. If we get stopped out, 400 take profit. This is a strat that I've been working on. It's just a break of the first inside bar of the session. All piano trader. I'm a DJ when it comes to evaluations. I try to pass them as fast as possible. Yeah. No, you're absolutely right. I talk about that. It's just I pretty much full send my evaluations. As long as the ROI is there, right? If I'm not resetting a bunch, you know, usually I can pass aggressively, you know, 1 out of every 3 if I'm trying to pass them in one day. Sometimes 1 out of every 2, but I'm still trying to decide if I want to take this payout on my funded futures or not. It's like no drawdown if I take it out, because I only take max payouts, so. So no momentum to the upside. Just looking for that break, that push up. Could get stopped out here. Just feeling like it. $42 people watching. Appreciate you guys. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Really helps out the channel. I know it sounds silly, but helps out the YouTube algorithms. That's what I hate about slow markets, is that when you're in the wrong trade, or even a winning trade, it's like, oh, just like take me out already. But you gotta have patience when you trade this slow markets. But when you're used to trading NASDAQ all the time during the New York session, then it's like, you know, it's hard to have that patience. Say Project X looks all messed up, but I just refreshed it. Looks like we're coming back. Possibly. Be nice if we leave this gap and get a push higher, because we're long, but currently down 5 points, not even. There's some buyers stepping in there. So we're gonna pop through the highs now. I'm gonna try to hold for the full 10 points, but if we break the highs quickly, I'll probably move stop to break even. We do have Trump speaking too, guys, at some point tonight. Not sure of the time. I think it's later tonight though. So make sure that you're got your stops in place at least if he starts speaking, because you know he can move the market. $9 p.m. Thank you, Kevin. So 9 p.m. Eastern, guys, Trump speaking. We probably won't be on then. I need a little break. But yeah, that should get the market shooken up. So it should be fun after that for sure. This might be why we're kind of just going sideways right now. Oh, you think it's taped? Oh, okay, Kevin. Thank you. Yeah, when Biden was in office, you didn't really have to pay attention too much to the speeches. It really didn't move the market that much, as much, but Trump speaks, it always moves the markets. That's just a fact. I just look for setups. I just look for patterns, piano trader. I consider myself a bar by bar, like price action trader. So, like I don't trade on any fundamentals. Like I don't, like especially when it comes to news stuff, I never trade on any of that stuff. I just trade exactly what I'm seeing in front of me. So, the only reason why I even look at the news is just to know like when I should be out. So like if we have like 8:30 news in the morning or 10 o'clock news, 9:45, things like that, that's when I try to get out of my position. But yeah, I just kind of look for what I'm seeing per 5-minute bar and then look for scalps off it. Right now, I'm long off this inside bar, looking possibly for a pump up into this gap. But that's the only thing I'm thinking right now. But we very much could just turn down here and fill the opening gap, which we have done a lot during the open. So yeah, it's just one of those things. But yeah. Not much of a spread tonight either, guys. Actually kind of slow, like real slow. Usually seeing a much bigger spread on the NASDAQ, and you're really not seeing that. Maybe 3 ticks. which is better for fills and stuff, getting filled. Yeah, exactly, piano trader. Exactly. Nestor short. Yeah, the longer I sit in this trade, Nestor, the less I like it, for sure. Yeah, you just gotta apply proper risk management to your positions, you know? Hey, it's not much to say about the market currently, guys. We're in another inside bar in the 5 minute, because we're basically going sideways at the moment. If we can break the highs of this inside bar, it would look better for our long here. 49. But we'd have to look for, see if we get a pop up. Yeah, piano trader. Market only goes up, right? Yeah, it's crazy. Hey Dave, what's happening? Good to see you. Thanks for stopping in. Alright Dave, let's push it higher. Good luck, sir. I mean, we're just getting that slow grind right now, but it is slightly moving higher. It's just, do we break this initial candle, or we come back and fill that gap? You know, that's my only concern right now. Nice little break of that inside candle. You see the little flush down. Came right to 240. Nice little bounce. These are small moves though, guys. Super small. I got these grids in 5s. If I put them in 10s like I usually have, like that, you see how small it looks. Yeah, piano trader for sure. Yeah, they probably ain't buying at these levels. Those are NASDAQ, you know. Stopped out there. I'm gonna mark that down. I had to rearrange my desk. Yeah, I added some streaming lights. And I had to rearrange some stuff on my desk. Yeah, we had a chance to get some profits, but we were looking for 10 points. That was the setup. So once that second inside bar presented itself, like I had a feeling like if we took out the high of that, we were probably got take profit pretty quickly, and then ended up taking out that low, and it's just we sat in it way too long, you know. But that's the way it goes sometimes. About 750 left to draw down on this account. Yeah, on that particular setup, Piano Trader, like I said, it's worked 22 out of the last 28 days. So for 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. So it's one of those things. It's just one of my mechanical, non-discretionary trades that I take. I've actually gotten a payout on that one trade, believe it or not. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's just 10. It was just 10 points. So depending on the minis or what size you're using. So 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. It was just a bracket. Below the VWAP now. I think we could fill the opening gap here. That's what I'm thinking now. Be nice to get a pullback to 39s possibly for shorts. I'm actually gonna scale in. Short 1 right now. If we start pulling back, I'll scale in or add. I'm looking to take out the gap, the opening gap now. So I actually will DCA if we pull back some. Not much drawdown left on this account. I'm actually gonna short on my Bulanox as well. Both evaluations. Tradertainment. Oh, that sucks, Brian. Sorry to hear that, man. Yo, Vince, what's happening? Just 500 more bucks? You got that, Vince. No problem. Right, yeah, Brian. Yeah, just a casualty. No big deal. Yeah, just go to the opposite, piano. I have days like that where I just feel like I cannot buy a trade, you know, at all. So it's just like, if I only just did the opposite on every trade. This is the opening gap, 22.24. Hey Anders, what's happening? Good to see you guys stopping in. Oh, I still waiting for a payout on the XFAs. Nice, Brian. They had to redo the 1099. That's weird. Right, Brian. Yep. Exactly. Use the payouts to build more accounts up. You know. Think we're heading to all-time highs. Very well could. I know my never short all-time highs, right? But yeah, my portfolio, my personal portfolio is looking pretty good. I know that. Yeah, I know, Brian, but it's crazy what NASDAQ does. You start getting up those all-time highs, it gets really tricky to trade. For some. There's the push up there. Boy, it was just we went long on top of this range, short on the bottom of this range. Nice trading. Looks like we're gonna take out the high of this candle here. This is a nice harami candle setup, actually. There's the push through. Currently down 10 points on this trade. Feels like we're down 30 points, but we're down 10 points. Hey, Blake. Thanks for the sub. I'm gonna DCA here. This could just nuke the account, this evaluation. But yeah, Blake, for sure. Yeah, it's definitely not my favorite time to trade, but if I'm degenning some evals and stuff, that's what I usually do. But the funded accounts, I am just not good at trading this stuff, so I don't touch the funded accounts. If I do, then it's definitely like I'm tilty or something. But yeah, I try to leave those alone. But I've passed, quite a few evaluations and stuff on the overnights. Yeah, Vince, for sure. That was a nice push up there at the close in the market, so. Piano trader depends on the prop firm, but not really. Some prop firms really don't care. It's like Apex and Bulanox. But Top Step's really cracking down on that stuff now. And it's not easy to do unless it's a 25K account. Yeah, it's like coin flips, Blake. Hey, Honest Take, what's happening? You got even on your account. Caught that insane move up 350. 10 micros. Oh, nice, Honest Take. Good for you, man. Yeah, we caught that move too, right here. Basically, we just took the bull flag break. That was right here. And we ended up taking some heat. We didn't put a stop loss on. And then all of a sudden, she rocketed up, so. Yeah, it was nice to, I should have been nice to have held. So what was that move? It's huge. 70. Almost 80 something points. That bull flag break. Yeah, right, Piano Trader. Yep. Yeah, like 25Ks where it's 1-to-1. So your drawdown is 1,500 and your take profit is 1,500. So with 25Ks, yeah, a lot of people do that. But there can't be a daily loss limit either. If there's a daily loss limit, it doesn't work. Vince, it is. Let me just pay attention to my trade here. Whoops. I just messed that up. I don't know who would have it, but if you use, I'm trying to look up someone else's code, and of course they don't have it for the option 2, but if you go into the Bulanox and go to option 2, 50K, and put in Pine 2, so Pine and the number 2, it'll work. So it's $115 minus 75%, so whatever that is. Don't ask me to do math. But yeah, so Pine 2, actually that's expired, guys. Vince, that's expired. That expired today, unfortunately. So the only ones that are available right now is the I'll show you in just a second. So currently 83% off 25Ks. So these are the 50Ks These are all intraday trailing. But if you did like 25Ks, it's 83% off. Use code PINE2. But yeah, currently the end of days, there is no real discount. It's only 45%, so unfortunately that expired today apparently. Yeah. Sucks. So we're currently short. Not looking good. But pretty much sideways right now. Amit, what's happening? Hey, Third Eye. Third Eye, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Yeah, almost to 600 subs, guys. Pretty awesome. Made some nice trades today. Market open. You want to check out the this morning's stream. It's not looking so good tonight. Nice bounce off the VWAP. Kind of wondering if we, hold this gap. We're banking on it not holding. That's the game plan. This is the I think trade. You know what happens when I try to think? Bad things happen. No, it's not the best fit, Vince, for sure. This morning we ended up getting some nice shorts this morning. Then Piano Trader. See if it still shows. Yeah, it's still showing. So this morning on Apex, we ended up taking a short here. 222, 25. Rode that puppy down, added to the winner. Ended up covering there. Pushed back up. Put in this Harami candle. We ended up hammering the short again. Took it from 96 to 64. Tried to hold a runner. So one runner, and it came back, took us out break even on that runner. Then we took a nice bear flag break here on a mini for 10-point scalp. So that put us up about 350 across all the Apex accounts. And we left it to that. And then the rest of the day we played around. We streamed all day today. All day. It was a lot. I wanted to see if I could do it. Hey Third Eye, what's up? On the daily, been ranging since December. I think it's bound to make an all-time high soon. Like how much more discount does the market need? Yeah, you never know. You got people saying the opposite, but yeah, you never know. Third Eye. It would look good for my my portfolio. So I'm in some JEPQ, which is NASDAQ. This count is not looking good. This count could be fried. This could be a casualty. So I'm in some JEPQ. Which is a NASDAQ, which kind of follows. It's like a dividend fund, but yeah, we hit all-time highs. That's gonna look good. Currently up to 8,300 on JEPQ. But I'm in it for the dividends anyway. That's like long-term stuff for myself. But it's looking good. And it pays a nice dividend. So nice bounce off the VWAP. Get a little break of the inside bar, came right down. Tested the VWAP almost exactly to the tick and then bounced right off it. So for our position to work, we have to break down through that, obviously. I don't have a stop loss in place. This count will be nuked. Possibly. I mean, if I put one up here, like the highs, and there's not going to be any drawdown left anyway. Yeah, Butch. Yeah, me too, man. Yeah, I like the Vince. My favorite is the we could take a payout tonight if we wanted to. My funded futures. I've always used Trade of 8 ever since day one, since I very first started. So yeah, I've always used them. It's just so simple. So right here, I can request a payout right now if I wanted to. Just haven't quite decided if I want to try to build a little bit of a buffer or not. $134. Yeah. Yeah, Amelia, they are. Yeah, we're trying, Piano Trader. It's not working out, though. I'll go back to the trade. That one's getting cooked. I'm gonna hear the ding pretty soon. Emit, yeah. So, I manually set them when I copy trade, unfortunately. It's the thing I hate most about Trade of 8 is because I copy trade these funded accounts, and I hate manually putting in stops and stuff for certain trades, but it is what it is. But yeah, Trade of 8's super easy to use, and since 2021 I've been staring at these charts, so. I mean, I don't mind the Project X, but like I said, I'm so used to staring at these charts that it's just harder for me. So one more push through the highs here, and this account probably will be liquidated, but we're in two minis, I mean. On this evaluation. I can't wait to take a shower tonight, guys. I know too much information. I've been hot and cold all day. So it's like I'm cold and then I'm sweating and then I'm cold and I'm sweating. So I'm fighting this illness. Yeah, I feel pretty grody. But yeah, I got the new streaming lights going. How do you set up the copy trader? Pretty easy. So you just go right here, piano trader, go to manage groups, like that, and then here's the accounts will be over here, and then you name it, and then you just slide them over, whatever ones you want in that group. And then you just have to go down here to whatever you named it, so like Funded Apex, click on it, here like that, and then make sure that you're on one of those accounts that's in that group. And then like if you have three, if you want to trade one mini, so like one NQ for each account, so let's say you have 3 accounts, then you have to put 3 here, so 3 to trade 1 on each account. Looking down, looking for the gap fill down here. 22,200. Charles, welcome to the stream, by the way. That's what we're looking for. Of course, it's not happening. We ended up buying the bottom of this range. So we bought the top of this range, and then we tried to sell the bottom of this range. So definitely got chopped big time. And trading 2 minis, yeah, it hurts. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. But we are going counter trend now. I mean, we are just trending higher. But yeah, we were just looking for the when I got in here, that's what I was looking for, momentum down into this gap, and we didn't get it. Got bought right back up. It's been sent higher, so. Oh well. Yeah, Nate, you're not the only one. Yeah, we caught that nice pump too on stream. But nice, Nate. Yeah, it's always annoying. Yeah, this time of night can chop you up, for sure. Lack of patience, really, on my part. Like, in hindsight, I look right back and I see, I'm not upset about this trade. We tried it, didn't work. This trade, I'm not happy with myself. This was a nice, clear setup. This is a setup that you guys see me take on stream all the time. So we put in this giant mother candle, swept below it. This candle opened and closed within the body of this candle. And then you take a long above it, target the top of this candle. It's just one of my textbook setups I take all the time. And so here we are, we're short, looking for momentum. It's kind of FOMOing, and then it went against us. And then it presents this setup, and of course we're still short. So now we're sitting in this trade, just asking for it to be smoked, but we'll see. So yeah, that's a little frustrating for me, but that's all right. It's just something to look back and say, you know what? Just gotta be more patient. especially because very rarely, like, you don't get the momentum in these types of markets like you do in the New York session. Because a lot of my trading during the New York is based on momentum. Yeah, piano trader. So yeah, so if you wanted to trade 2 minis, you would have to put 6, right? And when it gets really difficult, piano trader, is when you're trading micros. So you're trading multiple micros on the, and you're trying to copy trade them. So then you got 9, 18 micros up there or whatever. Yeah, it gets a little crazy. But suppose I've heard a rumor that Tradeovate's trying to improve their platform for prop trading, so we'll see. That's just a rumor on the prop streets. Hey Zabak, what's happening? Top of the hour here. Take a look at gold here. I'm not seeing too much gold. Just kind of consolidating after this nice bullish move up. Gold is really threatening to push the 3000s. That's what everyone keeps trying to call out. But every time they seem to get close, it seems to rug pull. But gold's been looking super bullish for... Look at all these lines on here. Since December. I mean, look at that push up. I don't know if anyone's sitting in some physical gold or anything, but I applaud you, because it's paying off big time. So if you got any gold for Christmas, it's paying off. Hey Wayne, how's it going? Good night, good night. Hey, you got some on your wrists, Amelia? Nice. I used to buy a lot of silver, you know. The poor man's gold. I used to buy big, 10, 20 ounce silver blocks and stuff. Charles Long, 22,248, 50. So right where we're at. Good luck to you, sir. We are short from 41. It's not looking the best. I need to start trading the yen like Zabak. The yen and for the overnights. Zabak and Black Beauty Machine. Trades the yen. Zabak, do you trade it like she does on the like a top-down approach, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute? What time frame do you trade off from? Yeah, piano trader for sure, yeah. Definitely. It does trend a lot, Zabak. I've been watching it off markets. It does trend. Big time. More than gold even. Yeah, what time frame do you trade it off from, Zabak? And what time of day do you trade it? You go from the 1 hour to 5 minute? Do you trade it like now? Is this when you're trading it? Or like when the real Asia market opens up 8 Eastern? Asia and London, yeah. That's interesting. Something I'm gonna definitely keep watching. Hey Yusuf, what's happening? Yeah, it is ugly right now. We are just kind of trending higher. Kind of stuck in the short here. This could completely destroy this account. This is an evaluation too, guys. By the way, I'm gonna take out just $180 for daily payout, which puts us at about $1,100 for last week for daily payouts. Of course, this is a new week, so. But I'm gonna take that 180 out tonight as soon as they update it, and then I'm gonna request this out to my bank account, and then we'll restart the wallet again. One thing I like about Take Profit Trader is that you can do that. You can take daily payouts, put it in your wallet, and you can buy accounts with it, which is nice. Yeah, Amelia. Daily payouts is just like, this month, February, has been real good. Real good. I think we're at, just in February alone, just daily payouts, probably at least at 2,500, 2,600 in daily payouts. So pretty good ROI on that account. I did reset that account for 640, so, but it doesn't owe us anything anymore. But yeah, just base hits, you know. Yeah, I mean, we're just trending higher. It's just pushed up from the beginning. We were looking to take out this gap down here when we got in. But yeah, now it's just floating higher. We need a tariff tweet. Send this puppy 300 points lower. For us. For me. I have a feeling we're just gonna slow push this up till this account dies. We were in the money just for a minute till it bounced off the VWAP. Then for the last 20 minutes, it's been floating higher. Yeah, there's only about 300 bucks left in this one. Oh, there's the pump through the highs. Congratulations if you're long. If you're short, I'm sorry. You're feeling the pain like me. Yes, piano trader, you can take out anything over 2,000. You just can't, you can put it in your wallet, but it has to be over like 150 or something to be able to take it out of your wallet into your bank account, or you'll have to pay a fee. Right now I don't have to pay any fees to withdraw it. You're supposed to be studying for your CFA. You better get studying. For the overnights, Charles, or for the morning? I've done a lot of back testing in the morning for the 5-minute ORB. I'd be curious if you trade it in the morning. I'm actually curious how you actually trade it. I got days and days and days of back testing on that. You do both? Mostly New York? So, do you go for the initial break, or do you wait for the retest? They're in New York. Yeah, retest. Yeah. Someone else in the chat does that too. Someone else in the chat, Farhat. Yeah, so we basically, this morning, we ended up shorting that same-ish thing. I took the break of the first inside bar, which is one of my setups, 30 points, look for 30 point stop loss, look for 60 points. It lined up with the ORB break as well. So it ended up being a beautiful short this morning. But yeah, I've done a lot of back testing on that. Yeah, for sure, Charles. This account's about ready to be popped. Already be taken out of its misery. Yeah, you're right. You know, our first long trade, guys, it only took us out by 12 points, and then it's bounced. That was our first long trade. Stopped us out at 12. I had 10 points, but it only went 12 points, and then it bounced. Hindsight. I've actually been considering switching to micros this session and looking to scale in more, kind of like Stock Tiger does, instead of just going in with minis. Hey Stargazer, how's it going? Stargazer, I've been streaming all day today. 9:30 this morning. We took a 2-hour break. Yeah, we're getting beat up on this evaluation bad. It's about ready to pop right now. It's an eval and it was never meant to be. Oh, that's alright, Stargazer. It's all good. I'm still sick, so I couldn't really go anywhere today. I didn't want to go spread the love to the community. So I didn't want to go to the gym or anything. So we just hung out and streamed all day long. It was fun. Yeah, that's what I was originally targeting, Charles. Off this long here. That's exactly what I was targeting. Was up in here. It's just dumb. Just dumb decision. That's all. Yeah, that count's done. Bink. There it is. Feels bad. It really feels like that, Charles. We're just getting that slow grind. That account is dead. RIP. 25K. You're in long start. Nice. Nice longs. Let's see here. Oops. You look for longs, Yusuf? Nice. Oh, okay, Charles. Nice. Interesting. Oh, nice. Very nice. Nice, Charles. Are you still working on that Belanox eval? Awesome, yeah. Belanox eval's 50Ks right now, guys. Like 15 bucks. Use code PINE. So, let's see here. See if we can look at a retest 9 touch here. Right for a micro pullback and then hop in on the long. We'll play with you longs. This is what I'm really, like I talked about it earlier. I know it sounded like a broken record. This one really ticked me off. A nice textbook setup right there. Just frustrating. 2 minis. So this setup right here, Yusuf, is just, so what I call is a harami candle. It's a harami candle setup. So basically put in this mother candle here, swept below it, and then this candle here, the body of it, opened and closed within the body of this candle here. And you see this pattern all the time, and I trade it all the time. Now, I wouldn't have been in it up to here. I would have took profit up here. So I would have took profit here at the high of this candle. Some people trade it where they put in this mother candle, put it in the harami, starts to break, and then they take the long here at the top of this candle. But I don't like doing that because it's just like, where do you place your stop? You know, properly you want to place your stop below these. So if it doesn't work, like, this is where your stop is. So trying to go long up here on the break of that is hard, but yeah, it's one of the setups I like to trade during the New York. Yeah, Yusuf, no problem. But yeah, it's harami, Japanese, for pregnant. Mother, pregnant, so open and close within the body, so they call it pregnant. And then, so yeah, we traded it this morning, right here. We took this trade right here. So we ended up going short there. And we took it down to that. You can see it again right here. Nice little long. You would have took some heat though. But eventually it did take out the high of that candle. So we just hop in the longs, guys. Just press the buy button. Time is it? 7:22. Yeah, Charles, for sure. Oh, the 3 bar reversal, yeah. So continuing to grind higher, just a nice trend up on the 1 minute, 5 minute as well. Just floating higher now. Now I'm waiting for a pullback at least. Yeah, for sure. Longs all night, right? Hey, Mark the Shark, what's up? Be bold and hold, right? Diamond hands. Wait for all-time highs. We do have Trump speaking at 9, so you never know. You never know. 300-point dump candle. So I guess there's like a little contest going on. I'll have to look into it a little more, but I'm trying to look it up right now. Starting to get a little pullback now. Sorry, I'm a little distracted here. That's weird. So there's a little contest on NinjaTrader apparently. They're having a contest. If you go to Twitter here, Terry Trades 100, friend of the channel, she posted about it. You just click this link here. They're capped at 1,000 people to enter. I guess it's free sim contest, and you can win prize money. I'm not sure if you can use Trade-Evate or you have to use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader does own Trade-Evate, so I'm kind of hoping that you can use Trade-Evate, but I just signed up anyway. I mean, it's free. But they're capping it at 1,000 people, so you gotta get in on it quick. But Terry Trades 100 on Twitter. Anyways, back to this. Little 9 pullback here. I feel like you're just FOMOing. You try to hopping along, right? I'm gonna see if I missed anything in the chat, guys. Alright, I was trying to sign up for that. Hey, War, thanks for the sub. I think I might have missed you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Just jump in there, Dylan. I know it's FOMO it. Just close your eyes and hit the buy button. Pullback 22,251. Yeah, that'd be quite the pullback at this point, at this rate. Hey, Woodjet. You short ES? Good luck, sir. Good luck, good luck. Yusuf is short. Yeah, welcome, War. Welcome. Came right to the top of that opening gap just before the pre-market, just before the market opened there. This giant down candle at 9:25 this morning. Let's scale in on a long. DCA. Long one. Long one from 63. Looking for that 21.9 bounce. And we're looking to get up into that gap from 9:25 this morning. Yeah, it's just an eval, War. We'll scale in. There's always someone buying, there's always someone selling. So, we'll see. Right now we're just slow grinding up, so. Yeah, we long. Hopping in. Riding the FOMO train. I'm gonna add another one, long. Hey Monica, what's happening? I was just looking for that 9 test in the 1 minute. I mean, we really haven't broke structure. $267.50. Oh, just above the highs. Yeah. I'm hoping we get there. He's feeling bullish. Putting in a little bit of a bull flag. See if we can break it. It's like pulling teeth sometimes. You get a few points. Still starts going against you. What's that Cove Trader says? Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. It's kind of what I think of there. There's a push through the highs there. Nice little push there, right up through. Take one off there. Leave the rest to run. Stop a break even. Who faded me, bro? Who faded me? Nah, we're only up about, not even up 10 points. Feels like you're up 30 points in today's markets, but yeah, I'm still looking to get into that gap from this morning. So this is the gap here. So what's 50% of it? Like 278. So we're pretty close to that for the 50% retracement. Well, technically not 50% retracement of that gap. Sorry. Oh, that was a pretty big candle this morning. Why is that not working? There we go. 287, 278. So that's the thing, guys. Buy it, blow an eval, you buy another one. Nice little 9-point push here. Looking for more. Stop. Risk off. Nice little bull flag. The 5-minute. Probably looked really good on like a 2-minute. Let's see here. Yeah, nice little 2-minute break there. Little bull flag break. Looking for a little runner here. We've been struggling getting 10 points in the overnight for scalps. Yeah, Star. Yeah, for sure. $120 profit. Let's go, Brian. Yeah, Tokyo. We're gonna have some movement with Trump speaking. There's gonna be some movement later. I'm just joking with Chip. I'm just joking. You know, I'm just joking. Yeah, I heard 9 o'clock Eastern, Star. That's what I heard. Third eye made 400 twice a day. When you calculate all the variables, stay patient. It's definitely achievable. Yeah, we made a lot of money today, Third Eye as well, on where it mattered. Evals, I send them. Pass or smash, guys. Pass or smash. My evals. I send them at open. I don't even care. I'll put 7 contracts on and send them. To be honest with you. You know, back in 2021 when you had to trade the evaluations properly, it sucked. Now it's like, as fast as I can get to a funded account so I can start getting payouts, that's where it's at. And I'm very transparent about it. I do my monthly expenses. I made a video about it. If you guys want to check that out. Looks like we're gonna get our runner taken out. Yep, our runner got taken out there. I'll put it in the chat here. So let's see. Yeah, not many streamers will tell you exactly what they made and what they spent on evaluations, so. So yeah, check that out, guys. Still in short, Yusuf? Nice. Yeah, we really didn't get that much of a push out of that break. So the 9 I was talking about, Third Eye, is the 9 EMA. Touch, we came down, touched to 21, started bouncing back above the 9 EMA. That's when we took the long. It was just a little scalp. It was nothing major. But we've been trading this in the New York session, 9-21 crossover. It's been working pretty well. Not so much in the overnight though, but when you start seeing a trending market on the 1 minute, you know, it kind of can lead to a good entry point for a little micro pullback. But yeah, John Carter, for sure. Yeah, he was on this channel working on it, talking me through it, John Carter. John Carter, this is Methodical Man, I bet. I bet you this is one of his alt accounts. But it doesn't seem to work good in the overnight. How's it going, Methodical Man? Did you see my all-day stream today? I'm feeling it. I'm exhausted. I thought it was. It took me a second, John Carter. So we're just waiting here. Nice grind up so far. Probably gonna get some injection here in about 20 minutes for the overnight. You were John Carter, Methodical Man. That's funny. So John Carter's probably in here fading me. Yeah, we've been degenning some accounts tonight, Methodical. I'm really not getting used to trading the Asian markets yet, but I have been starting to watch the yen because of Black Beauty and Zabak. So I've been watching it on my own time. Kind of interesting. Gets very trendy. See the yen. I don't know. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but they like it. But yeah, we're putting in those hours, Myth, today. I couldn't really go to the gym today, so I figured, what else am I gonna do? I'm just gonna sit at home and watch Netflix, so we decided to stream all day from bell to bell. Oh, it's alright, Star. It's all good. I know. For sure, John Carter. She comes on the stream and she laughs at us for trading NQ. So. What do you think, Methodical? Think I take that $1,200 payout, or think I should build this up a little bit? I think I might go for another trade on it. If it's a loser, I'll take the payout, nuke the account, start over. If it's a winner, then we'll build a little buffer. Yeah, Amelia, that Methodical, man. It only leaves me with like $300. Yeah, about $300. I mean, I could switch to some micros, but try to build it up. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Tomorrow I'll end up just sending it, use a 10-point or 15-point stop loss, and see if we can get a trade out of it. Well, maybe it's not quite. Let's see. It's you have to leave 50,100. So I don't know. But I love those My Funded Future starter accounts. I mean, I like them so much that I just kind of refuse to take and get an expert account. I just don't see the need. But I just have a feeling they're gonna say no more turning and burning those accounts. That's my biggest fear. But they are sweet. I think the majority of most of my payouts have been coming from My Funded Futures for the last 2 months or so on the starter accounts. I just have really good luck with them. You can pass the evaluations in one day too, and I don't know. It doesn't allow you to go tilty because it starts you off with one contract. But yeah, it's starting to feel that way. Appreciate everyone stopping in. 39 likes. I streamed all day today, guys, and I already have as much views tonight in the first hour and 50 minutes than I did with a 7-hour stream today. So I really appreciate you guys hanging out. And if you were smart, not financial advice, but I'd be fading me there in the Asian markets. It's like Top Step TV. Fade Top Step house account, you're good. Asian markets, I'd be fading me too. But we have fun talking markets, hanging out. Alright, getting the push up through again. Had a little pullback to 260s. Bounced right off the 50 there. And it's continuing to push higher. We have that gap here. Let's get rid of that. From 9:25 this morning. We do have Trump speaking in about an hour. That'll be interesting. Yeah, it's nice when you're on the right side of it, bet on the guy for sure. You betting on it going lower, wood chip? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, third eye. I have no idea. I try not to watch any of that stuff. I don't like that stuff. I got nothing against Trump. I got nothing against anybody, but I'm sure it'll be broadcast. Well, someone said that it was recorded, so I don't know if that's true or not. Someone thought it might be recorded. Yep, trend is your friend, for sure. Bet on that guy. Going to 286. Very well could, yeah. I mean, 300s. Could very well. 50% of this candle, this gap, could definitely. Oh yeah, third eye, yeah. For sure, yeah. No, my obsession is the markets. Yeah, VWAP way down here at 52. Definitely could be a... This feels like you're FOMOing in. I mean, pretty much riding the 9. Like that dude Methodical likes to do, ride that 9. But yeah, Methodical, we did take a nice winning trade off the 9 today. I believe it was a short. I think it was down here. I think it was right around here. I don't quite remember though. But the spread it really didn't get that much of a spread all day from the 921. Like I was looking for a 10 point or more spread, but really didn't get it most of the day. Take profit trader, you can trade till 5 p.m. Eastern. Yep. 5 and then 6. So, yeah, Eastern. So 6 p.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern. Legend. How's it going, man? Good to see you. Yeah, Stargazer, I agree. I try to stay far away from that stuff. Trying to give all Americans $5,000. Brian, yeah, that would be something. I'll take it. I'll take any money. If someone wants to give me some money, I'll take it. Ooh, that's a lot of money. I mean, you do you, look, Legend. That is a lot of money. $1,500. That's a lot. But I understand. You know, 150K is a nice account to have, but I mean, what's a take profit trader account gonna cost you? What is it now? It's 50% off. So what is it, like $150? I mean, that is like 10 tries, I think. for the test account. Yeah. Obviously, I can't give you financial advice, Legend, but if it was me, that's too much for me. I mean, I've done it with 650, but I look at it a little differently. So I look at 25Ks and 50Ks, like how some of you guys might look at 150Ks personally. I just look at them like I can get to that profit target a little bit quicker. I don't have as much drawdown, but I can get there a little bit quicker. But I know trading with Travis, his favorite account for Take Profit Trader is the 100K. I don't know why. But yeah, man, that's a tough decision. I know exactly how you feel though, Legend. I know exactly how you feel. If you're a trader that can get the payouts and things like that, it's not totally bad. Sometimes. So I did enter in this contest from Ninja Trader. I don't know if you guys saw it earlier, but only 1,000 slots left. So So this is the contest. I'll show it one more time here. That's the contest. Terry Trades has it up. Just click on this link here and then just sign up for the Ninja Trader contest. It's probably going to fill pretty quickly. There's only 1,000 people that can enter. It's free. I guess you can win prizes and monies. I don't know. I don't know anything else about it. I just signed up because it's free. We'll see. Wow. Oh, I thought I was looking at NASDAQ. I was like, wow, NASDAQ's really pulling back. That's the yen. Starting to get a pullback now here. Supposedly it's free, Melody Trader. Supposedly it's completely free. I don't know. I mean, pretty cool. Hey Mario, how's it going? Good to see you. Legend, with a 5-day rule, that doesn't mean you have 5 days to reach the profit target, correct? No, 5-day rule. Well, you have to trade it for 5 days, but you can trade it 2 days. Stay under 50% consistency, and then flip for 3 days. So for 2 days you can hit, so for instance on a 50K you need $3,000 profit, 1,500 day 1, 1,500 day 2. You can flip day 3, flip day 4, flip to day 5, and then get your funded account. So as long as you stay under the 50% consistency with Take Profit Trader on the eval. But yeah, I don't know what the prize is. It says a grand prize of $3,000. Oh, here's the prizes. So, someone took my name, guys. I don't know how someone took my name, Pine Tree Trader. But I put Pine Tree Trader 207. So, first place, 3,000. Second, 2,000. 1,500. And then 500 each. So, But besides that, I don't know anything about it. Terry just messaged me about it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna join in. Well, it is straight through NinjaTrader, so. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, Stargazer, I mean, usually I don't care about that stuff, but where it is straight through NinjaTrader, it seems fine. I mean, it's directly off their website, so. When I say flip legend, it literally just means going in and out real quick. So literally like this. When I flip a day, I'll just do like 1 micro. And I just buy and close real quick. So I just do this. I just flipped. So I actually just made a trade, technically. So, as you see there, made a trade. You just gotta, you gotta watch for commissions and stuff. So you're gonna be a little bit over to get commissions. Hey, Andreas. Based on how those went with my funded futures, YOLO size to win. Yeah, that's usually the problem, Andreas, for sure. I might just play it cool and just not trade it wait till everyone just YOLOs themselves out. Yeah, there's a small spread up here, you can see. So right now it's about a point on NQ, DS, GGR. I don't know anything about Forex. Someone might be able to answer better. Yeah, right now it's, well, right now it can go like a point, 2 points sometimes, but during the overnights like this, it can be a little bit wider spread. Continuing to just grind higher, guys. Might hop in here, scale in, if we pull back. Definitely trying to do more. I'm doing more of the DCAing when it comes to the evals. I never do this with funded accounts unless I'm on tilt and doing dumb things, but basically we're just trying to ride that 9 again. Hey Jacob, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. So at 8 o'clock here, start to see a little bit of injection. But yeah, I noticed like Stock Tiger, he trades this market a lot more than I do. And I noticed he does a lot of DCAing. Hey Ben, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Shoot for 285, 300s. Yeah, I mean, we're cutting into that gap pretty nicely. I mean, right now I don't see a reason to short. So, we're just trying to ride the trend here. I appreciate everyone hanging out and We have been streaming for about 9 hours today. It's more hours than I worked at my regular job. My biggest day? Maybe like 9,000. No, you know what? I think my biggest day ever, Legend, was like 13,000 on a personal account. And that was not with futures. That was with something else. Hey Ben, I'm near Augusta, right in Central Maine. Well, not technically Central Maine, Kennebec County. Yep. Yeah, I'm actually over in Litchfield. You from Maine, Ben? Oh, you're close. You're real close. Cool. Yeah, I'm in Auburn all the time. Cool, welcome to the stream, man. So you're a trader, Ben, or did you just find me? I mean, some people find me and they're not traders, but... Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, we've had a few people pop on from Maine, but not many. Oh, nice, you're trading Top Step. Sweet. I trade Top Step too. We took a little 9 bounce there. Look for some continuation up through the 80s, but see what happens. This is on an eval. Oh yeah, Joker, yeah. Yeah, it works pretty good sometimes. Until it doesn't. Here's the pop up through. See if we can get it. See if we can just ride this puppy. Yeah, you don't agree, yeah. It does work pretty good. See, the reason why I say that, Joker, is because if prop firms banned it, then DCAing can work. Now, DCAing with micros can work really well. You know, if you're just adding a micro here and there, so like mean reversion trading. Trading minis on these smaller accounts, DCAing, doesn't work too well. But on evals, we take it super aggressive, so. Because I always said there's a reason why Apex banned it. Because someone was slaying the DCA. But yeah. Yeah, maybe Joker. I don't do it on my personal account. But I watched Brian Watt do it on his personal account. I watched him DCA. And he's a pretty good trader. Yeah, it's basically averaging in. So I add to winners a lot. Like you saw, like if you watched my stream this morning, we added aggressively on the short. And took a nice trade there. But yeah, if I add it here, it's just gonna, you know, cut this in half here. But everyone's got their own style of trading, you know. It's all good. Whatever works for you guys. I just know what works for me. Yeah, not much momentum, Ben, for sure. Yeah, you must have caught that nice long. Yeah, it's all good, Joker. I don't recommend it, you know, especially. Ooh, do we pop the top here? I'm gonna take profit there. Just wait to see what this does here. Could pop in along. Just gonna put in this inside bar here. I don't want it to. Could just get that continuation there, but we'll see. But what is it? It is after 8 o'clock now, so you could start seeing a little more volatility. Hopefully. But I have a feeling we're just waiting for Trump. So there's the pop above. Could always hop back into where our trade was. Let's try it. So you know what? I'm just gonna wait. We did sweep the highs there and then immediately pulled back. Kind of curious about this one. Kind of like what it just did. See how we just swept the highs of that inside bar and then immediately pulled back and then just took out the low. It's kind of what I was afraid of, so good little exit there. Little intuition there. Oh, you're an ES trader, Ben? Nice, very nice. Yeah, I'm not very good at trading ES. It's always been staring at NASDAQ, the YM, which I actually haven't been trading that much lately, is the YM. I have one little setup that I like to take on it, and we haven't been trading it much. Check out gold. A little pullback on gold. Nice bullish day on gold. NASDAQ just parabolic. It's kind of hard to trade unless you're just already in long and just riding that trend up. Not very good for streaming when it just kind of slow grinds and you're not in it. Yeah, Nate, yeah, for sure. There's people that can do it. It's just, you gotta have a proper size account. You know. These prop firms, it's really difficult unless you're trading micros. Yeah, for sure. Million and one ways to yank money out of these markets. As you guys see, I take dumb trades. I call it my dumb trades. And it yanks money out of the market all the time. I mean, look at these inside bars. Breaks. Here's a good one. Here's a really good one. This one was okay, not so great. This is another nice inside bar break. I mean, anyone can do that. But yeah, it's about, you know, for the most part, it's about not oversizing and proper risk management, you know. But yeah, Joker, exactly, yeah. Require good risk management, yeah, that's it. Exactly. That is the key. 100%. And with these prop firms, you know, we over leverage big time. We all know it. I mean, when you're trading 1 mini, 2 minis on a $1,500 drawdown account, but that's the prop game, you know, that's why we like it. That's why some of us like it, because you get that leverage without. So look at that sweep there, the highs, and then immediately pulls back. There's a nice exit there, not upset. Do we re-enter long? That is the question. Look at that 15-minute chart. That's ridiculous. Very bullish. Oh, nice. Joker, yeah. Yeah, you have a lot of patience, Joker. Yeah. Dude, take some. Are you taking payouts though, Joker? I'm always afraid to leave money in these accounts. Too much. Alright, good, buddy. Good. Yeah, I'm always afraid to leave too much in those accounts. Because you hear some horror stories when someone drives up their account too large. I'm talking like 6 figures. And all of a sudden they say, oh yeah, you broke some rules. Yeah, I bet. So how's the new string lights look, guys? I know it's not a fashion show, but the lighting look okay? Yeah, I bought some new streaming lights. Alright, cool, thank you. Oh, nice, Joker. Very nice. Just waiting for a setup to present itself. I don't know. I mean, we got a slight pullback now. We'll see what happens. Still just slow grinding up.
The New York session, how much did I make?
Checking out Stock Tiger. What is he in? He's long. No, he's short. No, he's long. Taking a little heat. I just don't see a reason to fade this yet. There's the push through the highs. 282 now. Looking for 85s. Going without us now. We thought about hopping in on the pullback here, a re-entry, but didn't pull the trigger. Order depth? Yeah, I used to trade that a little bit, Ben. I used to. I look at book map sometimes, Ben. Especially when it's like lower liquidity, like the overnights, like tonight. I'll check out like Bookmap and things like that. But pretty much, Ben, I'm kind of like a bar by bar trader. Still going up, Stargazer. But yeah, we have Trump speaking in about 40 minutes. So that should be interesting. Looking for a short 20-30 point pullback at least, yeah. Yeah, very hard to get in on a long for sure. And then, you know, but you gotta wait for a proper setup. This is not. I'd like to see a big spike, pull back, and then down we go, but $22,316 double top. Yeah, that is up there. Oh, I see what you're saying up here. Yeah, that was a massive pullback this morning off that double top. But yeah, I mean, I can see us going to the 305s, you know, or at least 300s, maybe. I don't know if anything is going to change until the president speaks. You know? Hey, TCG, what's happening? Yeah, it's starting to lose a little steam, Stargazer, for sure. Me too. We've been streaming for, I don't know, 9 hours and 30 minutes today. Don't expect this tomorrow, guys. Don't expect a 9-hour stream tomorrow. This was a test for myself. Hopefully I'm feeling better tomorrow, and then I can go out and go on a hike or something in the afternoon. Or at least go to the gym or something. But I don't want to go spread the cooties to the general public. Just breaking your little trend line, Stargazer. Wayne. Yeah, I'm being good, staying home for now. But I got sick on Saturday. So. And we were hurting yesterday big time. Starting to get that pullback now. Really not much of a setup on the 5-minute. Bouncing off that 50 again. I don't know, what do you guys think? I almost think this is just a bear trap. You guys stop at 22,300, would you? Hey, yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's like, come get me. If you're gonna take me out, you gotta come get me. Nice wide stop. I can see it. Took back almost 50% of that gap. It's just so hard to go against this uptrend from basically 350. I mean, you see we tried down here and it didn't work too well. Where did we sell? We sold right here. Almost bottom ticked. I was looking for it to fill this opening gap. This little micro gap here. Did not work. Take a look at gold. Came down. A little micro pullback here. Try long in gold. Long 2 in gold, which is a lot, but oops, I don't want to do that. What happened to the music? Just went silent on me. Switch it up a little. Tried a little gold inside bar break, but we'll see if it works. So low that candle. 48. Pull it up on the DOM. So much easier on the DOM. NASDAQ's continuing to wanting to push higher. Back at 280s there. I feel like my stop is super tight on gold. Yeah, Yusuf, that's all I do. And YouTuber now. Full-time trader, full-time YouTuber. Never thought I would say that. But I don't make any money from YouTube yet. Very little. Nothing from YouTube, a little bit from the affiliates. But yeah. Oh, on Tradeovate, you just go here. Drawing tools. Fibonacci. I only have the, I don't really use it, so I just have the 50, the 100. But then you can just set it to wherever you want. So here. Yeah, that's all you're doing. Yeah, Yusuf. Thank you. Oh, I don't care about that. Thank you, though. Nice push. NQ. I just don't show you my personal account numbers. That's the ones that matter. Any streamer that says that they cover up their account numbers for Apex and stuff, it's all because they don't want to show you how many evaluations and PAs they went through. That's why they don't want to show you. I don't care. 366 evaluations, 85 PAs on Apex. But yeah, thanks for that though. NASDAQ continuing to push higher. That's true, Third Eye. It's true. They'll tell you that. Oh, I don't want to show my PA, my account numbers. It's like, pff, yeah, okay. There's a reason. My E-Trade account, I'm trying not to show you my account number or my my passwords and things, of course. Which I actually recorded a video a while back and it showed all my Trade-of-8 passwords. And I actually posted it, but luckily only like 2 of you saw it. So I ended up taking it down real quick and then had to go and edited it out and then put it back in. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I did that. So long gold. Looking to take one off here at the high of this candle. And then try to leave a runner. We'll see. Stops where it needs to be, I feel. Hey, do Fibber trace 6 p.m. open on the 1 minute time frame to high, it may immediately see there is a 16, 18. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people use fibs, Lavi. Yeah, it's like a lot of people trade that golden pocket and things like that on the fib. I've never really studied it much. Too complicated for my brain. I'm too much of an idiot. Alright, let's see if we can pop up here. Let's look for a little more. Just looking to take out the high of this candle here. Take one off. Take a little risk off. Just need a little more of a push. We're in pretty deep. I mean, gold, 2 contracts is 20 bucks a tick. So, alright, we got one off there. We'll leave the runner. Move to stop to break even on the runner, but not sure I really love that. We'll do it anyway. It's not a very good spot to move the stop, but if we get a nice bullish candle up through. A little gold trade. There's a nice little push up through. This is not a true target. This is just up there. In case we get a spike or something. Might actually close out. Yeah. See, as soon as I say that, it pulls back. Market's listening to me. The box up 900. Nice work, man. Oh, I'm sure you are, Lavi. I'm sure you are. But I'm just not looking for any new strategies because, I mean, I'm profitable right now, and it's just. But I appreciate, you know, everyone sharing their ideas, for sure. For me personally, I'm not really looking for anything that new. So, but yeah, I really appreciate you guys sharing, for sure. Because like we were just talking about earlier, you know, it's just, there's a million ways to take money out of the market. I mean, the box up $900 trading the yen. No one trades the yen except the Zabak and Black Beauty. Yeah, I appreciate it. What's your Twitter handle? Is it Lobby? I'll give you a follow. Go ahead and plug it in the chat, Lavi. Your Twitter handle. Little follow for it, follow. Yeah, no, that's all good, bud. Lavi Lav. Alright, cool. Lavi Lev. You verified? Is this you, bud? I'll give you a follow. Follow for a follow, bud. Awesome. Is that your car? Is that your Benz? Gold trade looking really nice. Pushing up higher. Let's not be a dick for a tick, huh? A nice gold trade. I'll take that all day, every day. Taking it off there. I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick. Could keep pushing up to the highs, but up 487 on that eval. We nuked the other one, so. But nice gold trade there. Back to NASDAQ. When in doubt, trade gold. Hey Fred, Coach Fred in the house. What's up? I don't know, Fred. Probably. I mean, is this the right contract? We didn't have it set up earlier. So the session 2 from 10 a.m. to 11, we never had a setup. We ended up getting an inside bar at 11:20, which was a nice push. Trader Rob setup. But yeah, Fred, we never got one in 11, but yeah. And see, like, the market just kind of completely dies off for CL in the afternoon. But on a 15-minute. I don't know if my mic was just muted or what. Oh, you were in the automotive racing? Nice. Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche. Are you like, don't take it this the wrong way or anything, but are you from like United States? Or are you? So those are all German vehicles. Just curious. That's pretty awesome. You're into auto racing. I have the anti-racing cars. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're just into the German cars, huh? That's cool. Oh, Coach Fred, you race too? Oh, the race with the mailing truck, yeah. Are you a mailman, Fred? Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. You have a race with a mailing truck. Yeah, no, but I've cooked that tire off the. I saw Coach Fred and Vince. The guys got the same color there, and for some reason I just reading them both. Vince, you're a racer too. That's awesome. Gran Turismo, yeah. Yeah, ESK. These are just inside bars. That's all it is, inside bars. It's just an indicator right here. Oops. LDT inside outside bars. That's all they are. Yeah, those mail trucks that I used to drive, they definitely not race vehicles. Yeah, you can find it in the community indicators. That's LDT inside outside bars. It's the only indicator that I have besides the VWAP and the initial balance high and low for the New York session. It's the only ones I use. Except when we use try the Methodical Man strat. So nuked a take profit trader account, evaluation, up 487 on this new evaluation, and nuked this. Yeah, I'll get a little bit of drawdown left on that Buellanox account. But Buellanox, guys, $15.25. Like, for me, that's what they cost. Use code PINE, 91% off still. Really appreciate you guys using my code. Support the channel. Apex, 80% off. Use code PINE. My funded futures. Use code MM for Methodical Man. They won't give me a code, so he's a big supporter of the channel. And Take Profit Trader, Terry Trades 100, all caps. Another small YouTuber, big supporter of the channel. So I really appreciate you guys using my codes too. It helps support the channel. It's free to you, and just kind of shows me that you guys are enjoying the streams. Really, I do the same thing. I support. I spread the love. I support the small YouTubers, mostly, with the codes. I wish I had my funded futures and Take Profit Trader as my own codes, but they said, nah, we're good. Yeah, Fred, you're adding to his $15,000 a day. I know how you are, Fred. You don't think 2 Lambos is enough. Patrick Whelan only has 2 Lambos. He needs 3, guys. He needs 3. Nah, support your favorite streamers, guys. Thanks, Zabak. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, we've been streaming, geez, 10 hours today. He's gonna buy a yacht, yeah. Joker trades for sure. DGT, damn good Kyle. Damn good trading. Yep. Yep. Yeah, damn good Kyle or damn good trading. Yep. I first saw damn good Kyle on Top Step. On one of those interviews. He made like 15,000 in a day or something. But he full sends, like funded accounts too. Like he will full send. That dude is not afraid to send it. Yeah. I think he sent it during news, but. Oh, thanks, Ben. Yeah, I've been trading the futures since 2021. Been trading futures since 2021, and I've been swing trading stocks for forever. I'll have to try to figure out when I first started swing trading stocks. But it had to be after I started with the post office. I used to work for the Augusta post office, Ben. I was a mail carrier for the Augusta post office for 15 years. Yeah, you have to use all caps, Nate. All capitals. It should work. But yeah, it should work. But I appreciate that, Nate. Yeah, small streamer, small YouTuber, give her a follow. Big supporter of my channel. Promotes my channel to her 1,500 YouTubers. YouTubers. X followers. She got almost 1,600 X followers. And you'll see, like, she promotes my stuff on there sometimes. It's like here. She promotes my live stuff, so. And you can see, like, her just promoting that, 2,600 views on her Twitter, so. That's all it really takes. I mean, this is how Nutty Bar got to where he is. He got the Patrick Whelan effect. You know, he got in that drama with Patrick Whelan and got a lot of followers out of it. Oh, you did, Nate? I'll check into that. I couldn't take it anymore, Jan. We did 2 giveaways last week. Jan. Yep. I definitely would do more giveaways. You guys use my codes, I give back, you know. No, Star, I don't want the drama for sure. If Patrick Whelan ever came after me on Twitter, I'd just laugh. I don't know what he's coming after me for. And I ain't gonna slide into his girls' DMs like some of these guys are doing. I go, what the heck is wrong with these people? Patrick Whelan will hire a private investigator to come after you. So, you don't want to do that. But yeah, we did 2 giveaways last week to celebrate 500 subs, which was pretty awesome. We did that in about a month. So, and it's been done totally organic. So it's just totally awesome. That means that you guys want to be here. And that's what I want. I don't want people to, come over here and just because, I poached on someone else's stream or something. Yeah, ESK. Yeah, he plays. If you guys are fan of wrestling, like he plays the heel. Bye Bye Money. Mike Swartz are kind of out of the groups. Yeah. Bye Bye Money's been around a long time too. That's the panda guy. But yeah, Patrick Whelan, he likes to play that heel. He likes to create the drama for exposure, and I'm kind of the opposite, but we don't have the same personality, just put it that way, which is all good. So you can have 3 funded accounts, Ben, at one time, so 3 master accounts, up to 11. So once the master account gets up to past the trailing threshold, the buffer, then you can add another one, and so on, up to 11. Yep. Exactly, Star. Thank you. Bulenox, only prop firm I haven't got a payout on. Only major one. Which we're going to get one, guys. And it's going to be a celebration when I do. Take Profit Trader was like that for the longest time, and then... But now we're getting habitual payouts from Take Profit Trader. Let's see if the dashboard updates. So Take Profit Trader, the dashboard has been very slow. Is that what we made today? What did we make on Take Profit Trader? 180. So the dashboard is open up, guys. It has opened, I mean. I can't show you the process of withdrawing it because it shows my password. I think I can show you this. So yeah, today we made 180, so if you guys are curious. So if you guys followed the stream today, this account went down 200. I made another $200 trade back to even, and then we made another trade, 10-point scalp, and minus commissions, so it was 180. So this is how you take a daily payout. So you see, like, this is the profit split that kind of sucks. So 20%. So I'm gonna have 144 brought to the account, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. But we'll take that daily payout. Hopefully it'll be approved by morning, and then I can trade that account again tomorrow and try to get another daily payout. So this daily payout will go to this wallet, this is just from last week. So this is going to there, and once that gets approved tonight, then I'll just withdraw this whole thing. So it'll be like $1,200 or something. 1,200 something bucks. I'll just withdraw that and it'll go straight to my bank account. So that's how that works. It's pretty easy. But once you get over that threshold, it's sweet. Yeah, get over that threshold, man. Zabak, which one's gonna die in 2025? I don't know, Zabak. I don't know. I hope none, but you never know. I know your feelings, Zabak. Yeah, Patrick's last name should be Wilden. That's what J Zero Day calls him. Patrick Wilden. Yeah, yes, that's what reason why Rips. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's why. All cool Joker trades. But yeah, as far as Patrick Whelan exposing Rips, and then Top Step I think just kind of cut ties with Rips, I'm guessing. I mean, it happened overnight, so. Scaling out a little CL long thread. Nice. Getting into some CL. Stargazer, yeah, those TPT valves and stuff. I mean, I just messed one up tonight. I just killed one. I don't know what it is. I can pass on my funded futures or a top step or whatever easily. Take profit traders just, yeah, basically, yeah, you should just trade them normally. I like to go in heavy on, to be honest with you. I mean, I trade my evaluations and stuff pretty aggressively. Yep. I just don't. It's just if I'm trading well. If I start trading evaluations like super aggressive where I'm tilty, like because I just lost my funded accounts, that's when it can get a little pricey for me. But for the most part, if I'm getting payouts and then I'm passing and failing an eval every now and then, it's not a big deal, you know, because my ROI is still up there. That makes sense. It's like the cost of doing business, you know. Like, yeah, cost of doing business, like Lobby left. So. Hey, Max Steel 107, PS5. Thanks for the sub. I want to get a PS5. They come out with the new Grand Theft Auto. I'm probably going to have to definitely get a console. Oh, Rips got accused of, or he had some, you'd have to look back in the stories, but I don't want to say anything that bad, but he was arrested for something like to do with credit cards or something. Rips was like credit card fraud or something like that, and Patrick Whelan exposed him for it because Rips ended up changing his name and everything else, and Patrick, being Patrick, ended up hiring a private investigator or something. I don't even know, but yeah, and Rips got exposed. But yeah, it was something to do with, like, I don't know for sure, guys, but you'd have to look back at the stories, but he got arrested for something to do with credit cards. And, you know, when you're in the finance type trading money business, that doesn't look good. Yeah. Yeah, Stargazer, yeah. When Patrick Whelan, that was his start of trying to go after every single YouTuber that was basically creating competition for him. That was the start of it, really. Now he's after Tory trades. Not our friend Terry trades, but Tory trades. He's been going after her now. Yeah, I'm not a big fan either, Stargazer. I'm not a big fan. Yeah, Lavi, you'd have to look at the story, because I don't want to misinterpret it, but it had to do with something like that. Oh yeah, he's going after her now. Yeah. Kind of crazy. Just prop street drama, you know? And then he went after, yeah, Casper, SMC. Like, he's after him now. It's just non-stop with him. It's kind of crazy. I don't know how he finds the time or the energy. Unless it's not even him tweeting the stuff. He's still after Rips. Look, he just tweeted today about Rips. So this is Rip's real name right here. So if you guys want to Google it, whatever. I don't care what you guys do, but yeah. That's the whole thing that Patrick was going on about. But Yeah, he's after Tory now. And of course, Danny trades. That was his next victim. Jay Dunn. Oh, this guy too. Daniel Inskeep. Going after him. It's just crazy. I don't know, guys. This guy is sliding into Patrick's DMs. So he's got him all in there. It's just madness. I don't know. I don't get much into that stuff, but markets are just kind of consolidating up here. Pushed to 22,288. Never went to the 300s. Retraced 50% of that gap and then pulled back. Yeah, Fred, yeah, he does. Yeah, that's his own thing, Fred. Market Clubhouse. Yep. It was in his past, Lavi. Like years ago. Rips is very rich, guys. Very rich. Like, probably richer than Patrick Whelan. If I had to guess. Probably. He's very rich. And then it wasn't all from trading or whatever. I don't know. He had some other business before. I don't know. But, yeah, he's super rich. Apparently he was renting out, like, houses in Puerto Rico and stuff to, like, the Paul brothers or something. Like, he was talking about. Just crazy rich. Yeah, which FBI, he's going after him, too, now. Anyone who has a lot of followers, he's going after. I don't think he's coming after me with my 550 subscribers. We get up to 50,000 then. Yeah, Amelia, yeah, Rips is doing very well. He is loaded. But like I said, I got nothing against any of these guys. They're just whatever. The prop drama. I think Nutty can beat Patrick Whelan up. I don't know, man. He's got that farmer strength. Why is it the most? What's happening? Tory's hot. Yeah. Yeah, Lavi. He's got some money. Big money. For sure. I mean, he's said on his stream that he could buy and sell Patrick Whelan, so I'm like, kind of believe him. But yeah, I don't know. Nutty's got that farmer strength. Yeah, Tradertainment, Coach Fred, right? Oh, Peter, yeah. I mean, as far as like prop YouTubers and stuff, Patrick Whelan is one of the top. But Patrick Whelan just recently got rich. He just recently got rich. And he admits it. He said he just became a millionaire, like, I think he said pretty recently. So, but, I mean, Patrick Whelan makes a lot of money. It's estimated that Patrick Whelan makes close to $15,000 a day from YouTube and affiliates. So, which, yeah, who wouldn't want that? Hey, Bray, what's happening? Nice, Joker. 84, nice entry. I like Nutty. Always have. I've always followed Nutty. Nutty gives me shoutouts a little bit. Like when I'm in the chat and stuff, like I've said this before, like he'll just say, you know, keep doing what you're doing on your stream, keep grinding it out, and things like that, which is nice because that's secretly saying, hey, this guy has a channel, without saying he's got a channel. Yeah, see, Amelia? Awesome. Yeah, it'd be sweet to be able to start doing some dual streams or co-op streams or whatever with some of the other YouTubers. Ah, thanks for wood chip. So I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'm getting tired now. We've been streaming for over 10 hours today, which is awesome. Don't expect this all the time, but I am still feeling sick, so I do want to relax and take a break. Hey Eddie, what's happening? Good to see you guys. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Use code PINE, Bulanox and Apex. Help support the channel. My last spiel. Have a good night, guys. Trade safe tonight and tomorrow. I'll be back at some point tomorrow, guys. So just look for me. Alright? Have a good night, guys. Appreciate you guys watching.